How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a power tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is the homepage. Here we have Mutrade, Home, Discover, Library, Sign In, Try Pro, Upgrade for Image, Upload, Smarter EA, and more pro sources. As you can see, here we have Download, also where knowledge begins. Ask anything you want and you get answers. So let's give an example. Let's ask something. So who is the best player in the world? And here we have a lot of various informations. First, we don't have just answer only. We have also sources, answer. We have a various sources to confirm your answer. Then we have answer, current candidates. We have various choice. We have also historic context, related, and also pictures. If you don't know this player, as you can see, we can also search video, generate image. So let's back to the home page. So here we have focus, attach, vegetable currently in season, the rise of rocket. You can ask anything. What is perplexity AI meditation technique in 2024? Then we have, you can say pro search. As you can see, our most powerful search agile for longer answers to complex questions. Then we have here Pro. As you can see, Perplexity, we have here Standard, as you can see, the free one, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, Standard Perplexity A model optimized for speed and quality, great profile to personalize your answers. As you can see, also we have here Professional, but we have also free. Then we have Enterprise, as you can see. Here we have just help your team get further faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful EA research assistant. Then we have Playground. You can ask anything you want here, and you can ask about help also. Then we have Block. Here we have Pro Search upgraded for more advanced problem solving. We have here Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro, bringing Perplexity to education, introducing Perplexity page, Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro, and of various types, as you can see. Here we have also Encyclopedia, as you can see. Welcome to Perplexity and introducing a new era of knowledge collection and correction. As you can see here we have a lot of niches, captions, audiogram, vid.el, in video, agent, link EA, faced, adapt, Korean, and the various things as you can see. Then we have cars. Here we have workers at Perplexity. We have our mission, you can read it to more understand, our values, current openings, the version, you can just click over the one you want. Here we have also fake for frequently asked questions. You have your various questions. What is perplexity? How does perplexity work? You can just click over here and get your answers to more understand about this website perplexity. What is pro search? So let's click over here to get answer. So what is perplexity, for example? So here is the answer. Perplexity is a free AI search engine designed sorry, to revolutionize the way you discover information. Ask any question and it searches the internet to give you an accessible, conversational, and verified answer. Think of Perplexity as a research partner always on the clock, saving you valuable time by providing the precise knowledge you need. So right now, let's give in some types to earn money on Perplexity. First, we have freelance services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. First, identify your niche. Are you good at mention specific tasks? Perplexities help with E.J, data analysis, content writing, etc. Focus on what you do best. Then we have create a profile. Set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then we have showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second one, we have creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here is how. First, develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Jamro are great for selling digital products. Market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. Third one, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here is how it works. Join an affiliate program first. Sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create valuable content, write blog posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate. Then drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. And there you have it. Three powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, there is plenty of opportunities out there. So this is this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.